Y'all, look at this cat trying to take the treats out of the thing. I can't believe this. She don't even care.
Best not to return to the nest empty.
I'm sick and tired of your face giving my treats. Please. No, I'm just gonna bite on this. Sit back and back to the dessert.
Not dissimilar to an
Hey, y'all play. I swear my owners be playing but where my treats at?
Just as important.
Hey, why you biting on that? Hello.
Follow scent trails back to the nest.
Kit Kat. Kit Kat. Kit Kat. Hello.
Man, I need my drugs. Where my treats at? No, I'm just biting.
Why you biting on that cord?
Get my cord.
You tripping?
Man, I was having fun with that. I was about to ruin your life. But anyways, where my treats at?
Yo, she did to the bag. What's she looking for?
Oh, you need the bag
Look.
right there.
Look at this.
Oh, man.
She ripped all the treats off. It was in that box for y'all just seen that. It was she did all night.
Man, you always see it.
Oh, go ahead. Okay. All right, y'all. So I can see we in Walmart. Oh no, I gotta catch up with now. I ain't do this in a long time. It's like I ain't cause I'm like wheeling my wheelchair and vlogging at the same time. Pictures rolling. You feel me? See, pictures rolling. Hold on, I'm gonna get up there with them. So just caught up with them. Look at juice box.
I want this.
The juice box.
Yeah.
I want this.
Smell.
That's a cute little thing to have, like as decoration to the perfume collection.
I want this to be in my perfume collection. I put that Ariana Grande cloud. And that one and that. I just want the whole three of them.
Oh, this good, man. Women, you want your man to smell good? That's a good one right there.
You know some of the girls on here.
Oh, that's for women. My bad. That's for women, but the man version.
I want to smell this. I want to smell this.
Spread on the box. So.
Challenge. Who can have the most in their mouth? Who can
It
have
smells like baby powder.
Yeah, that just smell like deodorant.
Yeah.
It smell like deodorant.
I'm kind of one with that.
Oh, so that's a challenge.
Who can have the most in their mouth without?
No, who
spitting
can
it
have?
out?
No, who can have it in their mouth the longest?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Oh no, is this happening to all y'all Walmarts? Like, y'all candy shelves like empty like this? I don't know what's going on. It's a shortage on supplies or what?
You don't know how long I have been looking for these. These are delicious.
Oh, Jolly Rancher gummies.
Yep, that's what I'm gonna get a big bag.
Look, like
But
the other Walmart, we came to this Walmart here.
But it ain't like what it ain't.
The other one was like, it ain't have nothing. I don't know if they showing supplies or what.
Fruit Loops.
Oh snap, they got Fruit Loops Kit Kat, y'all.
We can eat Kit Kat. I can't get it all the way out. Oh, it's 12 and it.
Fruit Loops Kit Kat, y'all.
Oh, I want to try these now. I want to try them.
So the reason why we came to the stores, these were looking for something to cook up, y'all. So we might put it, they're gonna be a cooking my way, or we're gonna add this to this vlog.
We should add it to the vlog.
I don't know yet, but it don't matter.
I don't know, we'll figure it out. So we chose to get some mangoes.
Well, I just grabbed this.
Mangoes are good for you, it's good in fiber, huh?
Here, put them in two just in case. Wow.
So what, we just need one bag, that's a waste.
Well, I pulled this.
Save the turtles, save the plastic.
Turtle.
They said save the plastic, like throw the
And-
recycle plastic, save the turtles.
That thing, that's like 20.
So y'all, we went to get some wings, some here. We ain't never tried it before. Wings grill. So, you just went in. What shit they chicken talking about? So y'all see we made it home. Chicken man.
Sauteing my onions and peppers and the garlic paste. Garlic paste. Got my rice here. And just getting it started.
Sorry y'all. Another light. These are not hot dogs, y'all. These are sausages.
What kind of sausages are those? This by Bar S classic smoked sausage. Now I put about 7. I done cut 7 already up. I'm probably gonna cut up some more. Now that might be enough. He might have made it right when he made this one. Liar, he might have made them all.
Yeah.
All at the same time.
So y'all, this is dinner, y'all. So we be eating, man. That's what we eating.
Yeah, I had brought some chicken already, so
Y'all already see the time it is.
that's what it looked like. We thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Hit the bell to be notified so you don't miss the next upload from us. And if you're new to our channel, you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for because it's free. See y'all in the next video. Bye.